everyone, Elizabeth Wiley here with Healthy Nuggets, where we get healthy one nugget at a time. Today I'm so excited because I'm taking you guys on a journey with me. I am here with Free Birds Vegan Bakery at her Vegan Taste Testers Club, and today it's a Jamaican style. So we're going to be doing fish and chips, peach cobbler, rice and beans, Jamaican jerk sliders, and a few other amazing dishes. It's a 6-course meal, and I'm so honored and humbled that I get to taste her wonderful creations. Not only that, but I get to share the whole experience with you. So make sure that you stay tuned because we are about to go on a Jamaican journey with Free Birds Vegan Bakery. All right, guys, we're about to go inside. Hi, welcome. Nice to meet you. Welcome, enjoy.
Fish and chips, and we're also having jalapeno cheddar hush puppies. And then we're going to Jamaica, and we're gonna have some Jamaican jerk chicken sliders, some Jamaican rice and peas, and sweet plantain fritters.
I'm about to try the Jamaican jerk slider that Free Birds Vegan Bakery made. Here we go.
What's it made out of?
Jackfruit, and it's really good. It's kind of spicy, has a really good texture, but I really like the kick because I like spicy food. I guess I'll try the coleslaw. Like all the way 100. I don't even normally like coleslaw. I've never liked coleslaw since I was a kid. Because this has pineapple in it, so it gives it like a sweetie flavor. And it doesn't taste like just like watery mayonnaise like other coleslaw tastes. So, so good.
Are there any raisins in it?
I have some gluten-free bread. So I'm gonna try it. Are you looking? Are you showing? This is gluten-free bread. Because I had the gluten one first, then it is a problem. So the texture is like doughy. The gluten-free bread is like a doughy texture, so it's not bad, but it just doesn't give the same experience of actually having it on like a potato slider. Does that make sense? Okay, y'all. Alright guys, so I have some fish and chips here. This is apparently made from banana blossoms. I have no idea what that is, but apparently Brittany from Free Birds Vegan Bakery is going to explain. But let's go ahead and try it. Looks so interesting. Look at that. It looks like an animal. I'm like really nervous because it looks like an animal.
Looks like tendon.
From it being fried and the flavor and the seasoning and that, and then the texture of this banana blossom, it's good. I really appreciate that Brittany goes the next mile with her business and really trying to support local farms, Black-owned businesses, healthier plant-based options, not just vegan, not just processed stuff. So with that being said, overall, my experience was fantastic. I think that she had a great venue. She had so many awesome, good-spirited, happy to serve, happy to help people on her team. She had a DJ there. She had people that were checking you in. The place that she used was absolutely beautiful. And yeah, I just think it was great. And I think it's a great place to go on a date. Like, if you are thinking about dating someone who's vegan, or maybe you're vegan and someone wants to take you on a date, but they're like, you know, where do you want to go? What you want to do? Yo, check out Vegan Taste Testers Club through Free Birds Vegan Bakery with Chef Brittany Love. It's a great date spot. Like, you get to try so many different vegan dishes, and it's a nice, cool little suave setup. So it's definitely a great date place. But in addition to a date place, I would definitely say if you're thinking about going vegan, if you are wanting to try new vegan dishes and give it a go and give it a try, it's perfect. It's a good environment, there's music, we had like a little photo booth where you can take fun pictures. You're gonna have a great time. So I highly recommend it, and I'm just privileged that I even got to go. It was a great experience, and I hope that you guys will check out the next Vegan Taste Testers Club with Freebirds Vegan Bakery, Chef Brittany Love. Go check her out right now.